Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the serial number on your MacBook. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then click the first option, About this Mac. Right there, you'll see a line that says Serial Number. That's the one you're looking for. If your MacBook still has the sticker on the bottom, you can flip it over. There's usually a small, faint line of text near the hinge that includes the serial number. You can copy that number and head over to checkcoverage.apple.com. Pick your country, enter the serial number and the CAPTCHA, then hit Submit. You'll see the exact purchase date, warranty status, and support options if you need help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support easy tech steps. I'll see you in the next one.